the mission of searching for a barber in Pokhara. Aditya Barber Shop. Namaste.
Namaste.
How are you, sir? Oh, shit. Oh, I'm too tall for this, you know. You are barber shop?
Yeah.
Yeah, how much for a haircut?
See, the pata.
Oh, you have the prices here. Okay, haircut and the hair wash.
Yeah.
Do you have like a full package? Like discount on the full package you have?
Yeah, 300. 300.
Haircut?
Yeah.
And shave?
Shave.
And massage, how much for all?
Head massage or back massage?
Haircut?
Yeah.
Shave and head massage, how much?
Head massage. Total also 500. Sorry. Haircut, shaving, massage.
Yeah.
1000.
1000.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
What's your name?
Amika Thakur.
Mika Chapai?
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Yusuf. Oh, that's your card? Wow. Sick. How old?
How old?
Yeah.
7.
7 years old?
Yeah.
Really? Wow. 7 years old and you already have a beard, you have a... Wow. I think he's of some asking him how many years of experience. No, I mean, you, what age? You?
Age?
Yeah,
26.
26, okay. Okay, my friend, I want 0.
Yeah.
0,
Yeah.
no, shadow, okay?
Okay.
How many heads? How many haircuts do you do a day?
Yeah. 10 years.
10 years, okay. My questions are in this way, and the answer are in the other way, you know. You learn here in Pokhara?
Yeah.
Barber shop school, you learn
Yeah,
here?
Pokhara, yeah.
Pokhara, okay.
Pokhara in Kathmandu.
Yeah,
Birgaj.
it's good, okay. Like you have more locals or more tourists?
Also,
Mixed?
yeah,
50-50.
50-50.
Namaste. How are you?
Fine, you?
I'm fine. Are you a client or?
No.
Work.
Yeah.
Work here.
Yeah. Okay, my friend, go.
You look like a rapper. Chris Brown.
Bye.
Chris Brown of Nepal.
Yeah, as ladies and makeup. Okay, go.
Ladies here like him.
Yeah.
Wow. So we just met DiCaprio of Nepal. That's why I go away fast, because ladies wait for him. Okay.
Where are you from?
Morocco.
Morocco. Oh, it's like European country, yeah?
No, Africa.
Oh, Africa, yeah.
North Africa, yeah.
Yeah.
You
I know from the World Cup.
World Cup,
Yeah, because-
Hakimi.
Because, like Portugal lost against
Oh, Portugal, yeah, in the series. Boom!
yeah.
Zindabad.
1,000 best from Morocco side.
Wow.
Then I won.
You were gambling,
Yeah.
and you won the gamble for Morocco.
Yeah.
Give me money. Where is my commission?
It's already finished on party.
You spend money on alcohol. Okay. No problem.
There you go.
What's the haircut you make?
No, just only beer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you look handsome. Yeah. Boss,
Best friend.
a friend. He looks like boss.
Me?
Yeah, are you the boss?
No.
Oh, but you look like boss. Wow, where is the... Nice.
Where write my in face and boss?
The way you dress, the watch, the ring. You look like a boss.
Only is my stomach is.
Your stomach too. Yeah. Boss eats good food. Your client?
Yes.
Oh no, okay. You want haircut from this guy or this guy?
Oh, he's.
This guy? Oh, so that means I'm between the hands, the right one. What?
He's sometimes good.
Just sometimes.
Sometimes, yes.
Yeah, not always.
Not always.
Okay.
busy बाजी त के गर्ने फर्किनु परेन
Yeah, businessman, boss, always busy.
Hey, no. The road is staying here.
The hostel nearby here.
Oh, here, close by.
Yeah. What is this?
cream
Yeah.
saving
Oh.
cream
Handsome.
Oh, thank you. You too.
All lady of Morocco love you.
No.
Not only Morocco, Europe,
No.
every guy, every...
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. It made me look like Papa Noel, like Santa Claus guy, you know. Oh! You know Santa?
Yeah.
I look alike, look. Santa. I just need the Christmas hat, you know.
I'm looking in from mirror.
Fresh Moroccan guy in Nepal.
Wow, looks very handsome.
I want Nepal lady.
Nepal lady,
Yeah.
that's your up to you. You go in the bar.
What is this? Wow. I became a white man.
Shaving material. What do you say?
It's relaxing.
Good?
Yeah, good. Massage and face clean.
Yeah.
Okay. Zindabad.
Dawa.
Ice massage now. For the ice massage. Wow. Now the ears. All over the face, guys. Yeah. His hand, guys, is really rough. Oh. Muay Thai. Kung Fu. Wow. Moving us to the shoulder. This massage is really something epic. Massage Zindabad.
Good?
Good massage Zindabad. They are laughing at my Nepali skills. Wow. Like, dude is really having some amazing muscle skills, guys, you know. I mean, I was in a spa in Kathmandu like some days ago. This guy has better skills. I mean, wow, it's so good.
Okay, sleep.
Sleep here?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, back massage?
Yeah.
Oh, full body.
Yeah.
Let's show you the next level, guys. He's going to massage my back. It's really lit, guys, you know, I mean, I've never seen this in a barber shop before. I mean, maximum the head, and now he's doing a back massage, guys, you know. It's crazy. Whoa. Oh, take off. Okay. Look at the barber shop in Nepal, guys. This is the first time I see something like this before, you know. Wow. Wow.
Good?
Very good. Zindabad.
Zindabad.
Wow. 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 That's crazy. Oh.
Good?
Yeah. Zindabad.
Massage Zindabad.
That's crazy. Oh. was the craziest massage I ever had in my life, guys. Oh, serious. Oh. 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 There's serious movements here. Thank you very much. Nepal Zindabad.
Next time, haircut, shaving, massage.
Everything. If you ever come to Pokhara, Nepal, visit this guy. He's a legend. And that's the shop name. Aditya Barber Shop.